Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. I got a Shiba request. So this is just a little bit of quick Shiba. So if we're just zoomed in on the recent pump, I'm at work, break time. So this is just going to be a very quick, basic video on what's about to happen on Shiba. So in the short term, you can see you've had with our industry exclusive birching tool. They're on the moving averages. You can see we had the pump, right? Everyone sees that pump. It's almost to all-time highs. All-time highs are about right up in here, right? And then we crashed. Then we got a lot of buyers right here, and then we got bought back up to this green support box, and then we fell down and got rejected. Then we traded along that major support zone, the orange box underneath, and got bought back up. And they came up to your upper resistance in a lowering fashion, right? So we hit it in a high, and then your next high is lower than this high. You see that? Hello, look at me up here if you're confused. See this high right there? Yup, me pivoting. High, price low. See that? Price high. But high is lower than that high. This upper resistance is traveling higher to lower as the future goes on, right? So if this bar went further down, it would be down here, or otherwise known as a descending line, a falling line, right? A falling upper resistance. And then he came back down to the opposite, low, higher low, higher low, uptrending underneath support, right? This support is underneath the price and it's uptrending. So it's an uptrending underneath support and a descending overhead resistance, right? See how that works? Now we're running out of time here in Shiba. And we got till the 15th of October. Oh, I'm getting excited as winter storms are about to start coming out of the Rockies. We had a big snowstorm out in the Rockies this week. Oh, I can't wait. We're about 4 weeks away because November 10th, November 11th, 2019, Detroit, in the greater Detroit metropolitan area, north and south of the Detroit metropolitan area, got a record-breaking November 11th snowstorm, 8.6 inches at Metro Airport and 8.7 inches in the greater Roseville metropolitan area where I'm at, right? It's a very impressive early season snowstorm. So we're only a few weeks away from when that is all possible, but I digress there. But we got till the 15th of October, right? And then we're going to go over, right? And see what's going to go on here. So we got a little bit more time to go. But usually they like to break out towards the end of a pattern, or about 3/4 of the way through, which is about right now, right? So what I would look for in this consolidation is a breakdown. I would be looking for you to go down to the 200-day or the 50-day moving, the 50-day moving average, right? Right down. That's where I would look for you to go down after you bounce off. Say you do this and you test that and you come down. Then you come down. I would think you would, hold on. You would do that, come down here and then back test and then trade down. And then I think you would trade down to that 200-day moving average or the 100-day moving average in blue that is uptrending and it'll be right about there. That's what I think short term you're going to do. You're going to dance up to upper resistance, which is right about today. Your upper resistance is right there. And I think you're going to trade down in the next few days to right here on the 200-day moving average for a phenomenal, fabulous, glowing, gorgeous from the current price, 21.59% fall. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. And take the class for $6.69. And you'll have a possible bonus of a 56.69% move in a coin that's going to happen. Up or down, it could break, but it's going to happen imminent. And that is a bonus. And with that running class, we put episode 1. And we're watching a specific coin so we can do live TA on the board of a chart we set up in a beginner's trading view technical, how to set up a technical trading chart for beginners. We set up a chart from scratch in a super simple 20-minute video. So you could have a, using TradingView, and if you don't have TradingView, you can use my links in the description. So you could set up that coin with a basic for beginners, super easy to understand and to get from point A to finish to setting up that beginner's technical trading chart and to have it so you had something to eyeball and watch. And then I'm going to update videos. So that was 2 days ago. So tonight when I get home from work, I will see where the coin's at, going with our current chart that we made up, and then seeing its prognosis going from where the price was to where we were forecasting it to go, and then seeing if it met them targets, and then reanalyzing the current state of the chart after it's had 72 hours more of data to get put into, and do live TA in a running class. And this will be part 2 for $6.69. You're getting now 2 videos, almost an hour's worth of classes, because it'll be another 20 minutes at least. So that's 40 minutes of classes starting for beginners, how to trade a technical chart for beginners, how to set up a technical chart on TradingView, right, for $6.69. And then I'm going to update that and send the email out to the members in the class, right? And you're going to have 2. You don't have to repay. It's all 4. And it's a live class. It's a running class, right, where we have a preconceived chart built up based on the technicals, that the basic indicators that we're using for beginners to set up a chart, right? And then we're going to see if that chart was right. Did we identify the correct pattern using all the indicators that are available to us that we understand? And are we able to now watch it play out and analyze it on the fly and diagnose and sniff out the chart and detect if that indeed is the correct pattern, and we're going down to where we think we're going to go, or going up to where the chart's saying we're going to go. And we keep analyzing the data, and we'll go and run through it. Right, so it's a live document, and you're going to learn from the chart, and you're going to learn how to predict and how to hold firm to your beliefs that you've set up a great chart and that you've hit the technicals in the right spot, and you have figured out the correct pattern, and you let it go and you follow it, and you sell when it says to sell, and you buy when it says to buy, and you audible out of what you're in pattern that you have up there if it's wrong and it gets invalidated. But this is going to be a running class, probably 10 parts, or until the coin fulfills its move. You know, so probably 5 to 10 videos for $6.69, right? And it's a running class. It's a phenomenal value. It's going to end up being 3, 4, 5 hours worth of classes for $6.69, and they're yours forever to go back and to reuse again, if you because repetition is key, and the more you rewatch something, the more you learn and remember, right? So join them classes, links in the description to get involved for trading, technical trading chart setup on TradingView for beginners, right? Peace and love.